Namaste, little chefs. Welcome back to Nomad, where every festival is celebration of joy and tradition. I'm Vinay, your friend and festive guide. And today we are diving into the heartwarming climax of festival Pongal. Pongal is not just about delicious dishes. It's a time when farmers celebrate the beautiful harvest with gratitude. Are you ready to join the Pongal party?
Yes!
Today we are exploring the beautiful tradition of Pongal. Pongal is celebrated mainly in the Tamil Nadu and other southern states. No need for cooking pot, we are serving Pongal right here. The heart of Pongal is the special dish called Pongal. It's a made with specially harvested rice, jaggery and ghee. In Hindi we say, we have Pongal ka magic. Still and still. That is magic, the aroma of Pongal feel here. Now, let's talk about the joyful Vattu Pongal. Vattu Pongal. These flowers are adorned with colorful decoration and honored for their contribution to agriculture. No. Can we pretend to be happy too? It's a day to thank our farm friends. Pongal is a time for family, fest, and Thanksgiving. Wishing you all a happy and flavorful Pongal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nomad for more festive adventure. Until next time, be your Pongal Festive and rest my even sweeter. Bye bye.